Hey everyone, in this video I'll share with you the middle finger flick poker chips trick. It is similar to the thumb flick trick but with your middle finger that's doing the flicking. So first you'll hold 4 chips using your index, middle and ring finger. Then you'll link up your thumb with your index finger and push down on the 3 inside chips, sliding the chips down your ring finger. The single outside chip will stay on the middle and ring finger. Next, you'll use your middle finger to pull backwards the single outside chip onto the thin side of the 3 chips before sliding it to the back row. Adjust and slide the row of chips back up the ring finger to continue flicking the chips from the front of the row to the back of the row. And that's it. That's the middle finger flick. Hope the tutorial was helpful. As usual, please feel free to comment if you have any, like if it was helpful, and subscribe to the channel for other videos. See ya!